Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Notepad++ if it is not opening. First, try to open Notepad++. If nothing happens, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, look under the Processes tab for Notepad++. If you find Notepad++, right-click it and select End Task. Now try opening Notepad++ again. If it still does not open, press Windows+R to open the Run window. Type %appdata%\notepad++ and press Enter. A Notepad++ settings folder will open. Before changing anything, make a backup copy of this folder. Then close Notepad++ completely and rename the settings folder to something like Notepad++ Backup. Now open Notepad++ again. The program should create fresh default settings and may open normally. If Notepad++ still does not open, the next option is to uninstall Notepad++ and install it again using the latest official installer. After reinstalling, open Notepad++ and check if the problem is fixed. And that's how you can troubleshoot Notepad++ when it is not opening. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials.